Zinzino means that you're joining our mission to solve one of the biggest nutritional deficiencies that exists in the world today.
During these upcoming videos, we'll look into the pipeline system of how you can learn how to do the business step by step, a guide that will support you all the way through, from the beginning until you progress and eventually become really good at it.
The first step is to get the overview. How do you get started? How does the pipeline work? How do you bring in customers and partners into your team? And as you learn, we will help you get fully competent to run this business on your own.
When you solve the nutritional deficiency of omega-6 to omega-3, we improve the vitamin D3 levels and we put the microbiota right, which we do with our health protocol. And you'll get lots of opportunities to learn about the products as we move along. But when we do that, what we do is that we improve the diet so much for people that it kind of becomes bulletproof. You do whatever you can do to be able to protect the health from a dietary standpoint.
The most efficient way to get started is to go all in. Move your business in action right away. And you want to study and do simultaneously. And as you help yourself, your family, the people around you to build a better body through our products, I totally recommend you to get in action, set aside time, and do the work immediately.
Our vision is to reach 100 million customers over the next 2 to 3 decades. That is a big vision. And now the question is, how can we do that? Well, Zinzino is the company that is moving the world from guest-based nutrition to test-based nutrition. When it was guest-based, you would have a problem. You'd go out and try to find a remedy inside of the nutritional shelf. You'd take that for a short period of time, and if it solved your problem, you would be happy. But a lot of times it didn't fix anything and you were disappointed and you kept living on. With test-based nutrition, we're thinking differently. We're trying to catch you early. We test you. We find the nutritional deficiency before you have the problem. Then you stay on the product for all of your life so that you never develop it. And when this happens, the industry of nutrition is going to go from a 200 billion industry today to what we believe will be $1 trillion within the next 2 to 3 decades.
On a personal level, you want to cast your vision. What are your ambitions, your goals, and what are the practical plans that you need to put in place to get you there? Now, as you now get started, you want to think through, how would I like my life to be 10 years from now? What is truly important to you? How do I want my dream life to be 5 years from now, 3 years from now, 12 months from now? You want to break it down. And then I also totally encourage you to think through, what would that mean in level achieved in Zinzino? What rank do I need to aim for? What's going to be my customer base in total in my team? What will be my monthly check? And then you want to make your goal smart, specific, measurable, attractive, relevant, and also time-bound. And as you then have thought through some of those long-term goals, please also think through some of those short-term goals. And then you want to get in action, move your business so that you grow your team and follow the basic steps that will get you fast results.
Maybe you will be one of those that takes action and you finish that Fast Start program. Right through the 120 days, you collect every single bonus. Well, that will help you get on a path to progress faster. And you become, by building the business together with us, a pivotal part of making the world better, putting the world back into balance.